the kid, now watch guys, be prepared. The kid, okay? This time, the kid is standing on the platform and somebody has already rotated the platform. I'll repeat. The kid is standing on the platform and somebody has already rotated the platform in anti-clockwise sense. Watch. So I'll explain the problem first with my own drawing, good drawing, and then you will see a video of that, okay? Initial, top view. Where is the kid? Here is the kid. Sir, what is happening? Somebody has already made it to rotate. Okay, sir. With omega. Now what? Now on this rotating platform, this kid starts to walk. Sir, in what direction? It starts to walk along the rotation, in the anti-clockwise direction itself. Okay. And with speed v relative to the platform. Speed v relative to the platform. That means v boy platform is equal to v. V boy, don't worry. Hold on. Don't worry. Step by step. Let me explain the problem first. Okay. So what happens is this. This boy starts walking. I will not draw anything here. This boy starts walking. Now guys, if something was rotating and you start walking, what is walking? Sir, walking is us going forward. I know that. But what happens to the ground? Oh, sir, walking is when we go ahead, we push the ground backwards, isn't it? Walking is take a stance ahead, push the ground backwards. Otherwise, what happens? If you start doing like parade left, right on the same spot, what happens? You are pushing the ground down. So when you're pushing the ground down, you're going to go forward. In order to go ahead, what happens? You take a stride and push the ground backwards. So if you push the table backwards, what happens to the omega? So there will be a hamper in the omega. In other words, if you draw your omega, the same sense, first of all, it changes. And second of all, it decreases. I'm sure about that. I'll repeat. First of all, omega will not remain the same. Are you at peace with that? Yes, sir. Omega will not remain same. And not same, what exactly will happen? Increase or decrease? Sir, decrease, because you will pushing it backwards. If you're pushing it backwards, you are giving it a clockwise kind of push. That will decrease the omega. Okay? Now, velocity of the boy in ground frame will be velocity of the boy with respect to platform plus velocity of the platform. You are absolutely right, sir. But sir, platform ka velocity matlab it's a rotating. The point where the boy is standing, what is the velocity? Omega dash r. Why omega dash r? V equal to omega r. So the point where the boy is, the spot where the boy stands, it is not stationary. It's going with omega dash r. Sir, question number. Why omega dash r? Why not the previous omega r? Because when the boy first walks, then omega changes, na? I can't do this again. Do you remember I gave you a word? The boat starts going back the moment you think about jumping. So the recoil is not a reaction. Action, reaction are simultaneous. So guess what? This is V plus omega dash r in the ground frame. Take your time. Sir, why V plus omega dash r? Why not minus? Because they both are in same direction. Now watch the visual. Watch. Life was good. See, life is still good, still good, still good, still good, still good, still good. 1, 2, 3. The boy starts walking. Notice the beauty of the subtle animation. Did you see? The disc started going slower. Watch it again. Watch it again. Notice the omega of the disc. This is omega. This is omega. 1, 2, 3, go. Starts walking and the omega changes. Okay, perfect. Here is the top view. In the diagram, here's the front view, my bad. See? Right? And what is the velocity of the boy in ground frame? Now, BP equal to V. This I know. This is the given data. But the velocity which I will use of the boy in the ground frame will be V plus omega dash R. Are you ready? Is the angular momentum of the boy plus the platform conserved about the hinge? Yes, sir. So I will skip a step now and I will write Li is equal to Lf about the hinge or the axle. Guys, come on, please don't make me write the whole sentence. Jo hua andar hua na, the boy started walking, so it's between the platform and the boy. So the whole system externally, the angular momentum is conserved. Initially, like a good system, peaceful system, they were going together. So initially, I plus mr square omega. Clockwise, right? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Anti-clockwise. So it's a dot. Now write the boy separately and the platform separately. The boy will be the boy's mass m, the boy's velocity v plus omega dash r. V plus omega dash r r. MVR. MVR na. So m is m, mass r is r. Who's v? V is v plus v, omega dash r. Going clockwise. Yes, sir. Dot again. And the bacha kaun? The disk. The disk is still what? I omega dash. Poor guy again dot. All are dots because all are anti-clockwise. Now, since all are dots, open the brackets. I plus mr square omega is equal to mvr plus m omega dash rr is mr square omega dash plus I omega dash. How's this? Or I plus mr square omega minus mvr is equal to I plus mr square omega dash. How's this? That's correct, sir. Or omega dash is equal to I plus mr square omega upon I plus mr square dividing minus mvr upon I plus mr square. Arey Baba, I divided both the terms by I plus mr square. See what do you get? Omega minus mvr upon, because these two get cancelled. Take your time. Take your time. Take 30 seconds. Take 40 seconds. Take a minute. No problem. After 30 seconds, you will tell me the answer of why a diver, when jumps and does a somersault in the air, curls up the body. Why does a ballerina, when he or she does those figure skating ke andar, those tick, 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 the spinneroonies they call it. Why do they curl their body? Why do they put their hands backward like this? Because our CG, center of gravity or center of mass, is somewhere at the gut. So when we are in the air, right? When we are in the air, where is the gravity force passing through? In the indoor pool, let's say there is no breeze. So only force is gravity in the air. So where is the gravity passing through? Through the core. Right? That means this is our axle, this is our hinge. Hai na? That means angular momentum of a diver, I'll repeat, angular momentum of a diver is conserved about its own center of mass. Correct, sir? What is the formula for angular momentum of a person? A person is kind of like a body system. I omega. I omega. I omega. So if I omega is constant, that means if I decrease I, hey, yeah, I omega is constant. If I decrease, I omega is constant. If I decrease I, omega will increase to keep the product constant. How do you decrease I? About the axis. Bring the masses closer to the axis. Closer they are about the axis, lesser is the distance. Lesser is the distance, lesser is the inertia. How does one become closer? By curling up. Because when I curl up, all my limbs, my hands, my feet, all are closer to my CG, my axis, my hinge. So what happens? Their distance decreases. So what happens? Their inertia decreases. So what happens? Their omega increases. Because I omega is constant. In other words, I1 omega 1 will be equal to I2 omega 2 for the diver. So I1 goes down, omega 2 goes up. If omega 2 goes up, that means what? You are able to do more spins because your omega has increased. There is the answer. Did you get it? Sure. Is the calculation part clear? What is the most important part here? The most important part here, the catch was that even if you know how to solve the entire problem, but if you don't write V ki jagah V plus omega dash R, the entire thing is wrong. Got it? Good stuff.